how to create a website using AI templates in Framer AI. So in order to create those templates, you should be able to see in here this right sidebar. You can see in here this thread template. Click on this browse right here. And then from in there, it will show you the marketplace of those AI created templates that they have available. So some are paid while some are free. So you can head over and then just choose which one you want to use. For example, let's use this MadMe right here. Head over and click on that. And then from in there, you can use it for free or you can also preview it first before applying it to your website. Now, once you have used it for free, you can see in here this. So as you can see, this one is actually paid. And you can see in here the actual price in here. So just go over and then put in here your card details or your PayPal details if you want. Now, whenever you scroll down, you can also see in here the top categories that they have on their website. And you can submit your template right here and you can actually start for free. And then in here, when you scroll down further, you can see their AI option. When you head over and click on that, you can design sites with AI using this particular tool that will allow you AI translation, text rewrite, and a lot more. So that's how you create a website using AI templates on Framer AI. Hope we helped.